Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to review and compare 3 credit cards from US Alliance Financial Credit Union, and I believe this credit union is one of the best in the market. So the reason I'm going to review these 3 credit cards because you can do these 3 great things with it. First one, you can grow your credit, you can get the best rates, and then at the same time you can get rewarded as well. But before moving forward with this video, I would like you to like this video. It will help the YouTube algorithm and it will also help this video reach to the wider audience, and also subscribe to the channel because right after this video I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $9,000 credit card with no credit check and just a soft pull. So in order to get notified, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get the notification whenever we upload that video for you. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. I'm going to make this video short and precise for you because I'm going to compare these 3 credit cards side by side for you. So these 3 credit cards are known as US Alliance Visa Secured, the other one is US Alliance Visa Classic, and the last one is, and the top tier one is, US Alliance Visa Signature. So what are the benefits? What are the differences? Let's get into it. So the first one, right now these cards has no offer. Usually what they do at the last quarter of the year, they actually come up with the offers, but right now I believe because of the COVID they are not offering anything specific when it comes to these credit cards. But let's go to the purchase rates and compare them. The first one we are talking about is US Visa Secured card. So when it comes to this, the APR is pretty high, and the reason is this credit card is solely used to build credit. So if you are struggling with your credit, then this one is for you. But this is a secured credit card, so remember you have to give them the money in order to get this credit card. And how it works, if you don't know about secure card, then let me tell you that, for example, you give them $300 and in return they give you a credit card with a credit limit of $300, and then if you use that credit card, then it will be reported to the credit bureau, which will help you to build your credit. So this is a secured card where you have to put down money in order to get this credit card. So let's talk about the other one, that is US Alliance Visa Classic. So when it comes to US Alliance Visa Classic, the APR is actually as low as 8.74%, and that is really low when you compare it to the 18% with the secure card. Now let's go towards the rewards card. So when we talk about the Visa Signature rewards card, the APR is a bit higher than the actual one, but this one has rewards. And I always tell everyone that you won't have to pay a single penny in APR if you pay your credit card in full by the end of the month. So remember this. So now let's talk about the balance transfer offers. Let's start with the secured credit card. There is no sense to talk about the balance transfer because it's a secure card and you don't want to transfer your own money to your own credit card, so it doesn't make any sense at all. So this credit card is actually used to build credit, so I will never recommend you to use the balance transfer offer or balance transfer to any other credit card. Now let's talk about middle tier one. So when you talk about this one, the Visa Classic, so this one has 8.7% APR when you transfer balance, and believe me, it's high because you will find a lot of credit cards in the market which will offer you the offers as low as 0% APR. It means you won't have to pay a single penny except some transfer fee such as $5 to $10, and it totally depends on your transfer amount. Now let's talk about the rewards card. They call it the Visa Signature. So when we talk about this one, the APR is high, it's 12.74%, and I would never recommend you to use any of these cards for balance transfer. unless you have an offer from them, which I told you that they actually come up with the offer at the last quarter of every year, but we are still waiting for the offers from them. So when it comes to the annual fee, there is no annual fee in all three cards. So this is actually a good point and a good one from US Alliance Financial. When it comes to the earning rewards, none of the other two cards has any rewards such as Secured and Visa Classic. No rewards at all. But when it comes to the Visa Signature, they give 3 points every dollar, and I believe it's a very good perk, because 3 points for every dollar, you can have a lot of things from it. So remember, 3 points is usually equal to 3 cents when you actually exchange it with the redeemable offers, and most of the times it can be as high as 5 cents. So now let's talk about the unique benefits that they think they're offering in this card. So as you already know, that for the secured card is used only to build credit, there is no unique benefits. So Visa Classic, the cash advances and balance transfers are coming up with a low fee, but still I will not recommend the balance transfer from this card because it's 8.7%, and you will be able to find good offers and good credit cards from other financial institutions and banks. Now let's talk about the Visa Signature. The Visa Signature has a lot of great things, and I would totally recommend this card because this has the cell phone protection, so it means you won't have to buy any sort of insurance for your cell phone if you buy it from this credit card. It also gives you personal identity theft protection and price protection, and you can review the guide in order to know everything about it. Now let's see what are the shared benefits that these cards has. It has the great rates. I do not agree with it. It has a no annual fee. This is one thing that I really like about these cards. 24/7 fraud protection. It means someone use your card, you can always get your money back. Then of course you can also get your monthly credit score absolutely free. But to be honest, almost every credit card and every financial institution in US is giving you free credit score and FICO score for you every month. Now auto rental coverage for damage, collision and theft. It means if you're going to rent a vehicle, then you won't have to buy any sort of insurance, and I believe this is a very good point and perk. Now of course they give you account alert and the other things, and I believe these are the things that any other financial institution offers to you right away. So in summary, I can say that these cards are actually good, but when it comes to the rewards and the other things such as cell phone protection and of course the rewards of 3 points, this is a really good perk, then I believe that the US Financial Visa Signature is truly a winner. So only apply for this card if you feel like you won't have any choice and they are giving you without checking your credit, because in order to get these cards there is a hard pull, and hard pull means that your score will come down temporarily, such as from 3 to 5 points. But the question arises how you can become a member of US Alliance Financial. You can become a member of US Alliance Financial Credit Union by just setting up an account with them. The membership only requires to check your check system. It means they will not check your credit at all, so anyone can open an account with them if they don't have any negative remarks or any negative things on their check system, such as they never closed any of the account with overdraft. Right after this video, I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $9,000 credit card with no credit check and just a soft pull. So in order to watch that video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. Thank you so much. I see you in the next video.